This is your AESH Weekly News Minute for Tuesday, July 25, 2023. Energy news. Volvo Cars will use Tesla's superchargers but not its autonomous driving tech. Its CEO explains why. Volvo Cars does not plan to use autonomous driving technology from Tesla and will instead focus on developing its own systems, according to the company's CEO. Back in June, the Gothenburg-headquartered carmaker said it had inked an agreement with Elon Musk's firm that would give its electric vehicles access to 12,000 Tesla superchargers in the US, Mexico and Canada. Speaking to CNBC's Squawk Box Europe on Thursday morning, Volvo Cars chief Jim Rowan was asked whether this meant that business would consider using Tesla's autonomous driving tech in the future. "We've already made that decision in terms of what we want to control internally, in terms of our technology stack," Rowan said. "And we've chosen that we want to be in full control of our ADAS advanced driver assistance systems, all the way up to full AD autonomous driving software," he added. Logistics and transportation news. Weber's Group reveals its name is being used to commit parcel fraud in Germany. In a statement, the Weber's Group warned the public to exercise increased caution due to numerous scams being committed throughout Germany using publicly available company data. According to Weber's, the fraud is being carried out by unknown perpetrators independent of the company. "Unfortunately, multiple victims have reported to us that when ordering small packages typically, our company's data is used deceitfully, as if we were a courier or small package delivery service, and advance payment is requested from the victims. We hereby declare that our company does not have any contracts with small web shops across Germany and does not engage in small package delivery," said Weber's in its statement. The company added, "Our company specializes in transporting full truckloads throughout Europe." Technology news. Big tech looks to turn the corner on cloud as AI focus stays strong. US tech giants could signal an end to the nearly year-long slowdown in their cloud businesses as signs of economic resilience encourage clients to boost technology spending, while a pickup in digital ads will also aid profits. Microsoft, Google owner Alphabet, Amazon.com and Meta Platforms companies that are together valued at over $6 trillion are set to report earnings this week and the next, in what will be a test for their hefty valuations and the broader market rally they have driven, thanks to optimism over artificial intelligence. "We're really only looking for metrics that point to ramping user traction for AI-based offerings, with the idea being that they will generate more meaningful revenue in the medium term," Canaccord Genuity analyst Kingsley Crane said. The four companies have this year aggressively integrated AI into their products on hopes that it would drive the industry's next growth cycle, but those efforts will take time to pay off. Finance news. American Express's profit view dampens strong results from record card spending. American Express kept its annual profit forecast unchanged despite a record spending on its credit cards by consumers in the second quarter, disappointing investors and sending its shares down 5% on Friday. Even though resilient spending on travel and entertainment encouraged company executives to remain optimistic going into the second half of the year, analysts said Amex's cautious forecast pointed to a potential slowdown. Results were strong, though spending growth is moderating from unsustainably high rates in 2022, said Edward Jones analyst Kyle Sanders. These worries took the shine off a record quarter in which spending surged to $426.6 billion, despite rapid interest rate hikes by the U.S. central bank, ushering in an end to easy money. "Our base is changing in terms of more millennials and Gen Z who will grow with us. And as the economy gets better, we expect the spending to pick up," CEO Stephen Squeri said in a call with analysts. Global news headlines. Ukraine has recaptured 50% of the territory that Russia seized, Blinken says. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said that while Ukraine has recaptured half the territory that Russia initially seized in its invasion, Kyiv faced a very hard fight to win back more. "It's already taken back about 50% of what was initially seized," Blinken said in an interview with CNN on Sunday. "These are still relatively early days of the counteroffensive. It is tough," he said, adding. "It will not play out over the next week or two. We're still looking, I think, at several months." Late last month, President Volodymyr Zelensky was quoted as saying that the counteroffensive's progress against Russian forces was slower than desired. Ukraine has recaptured some villages in the south and territory around the ruined city of Bakhmut in the east, but has not had a major breakthrough against heavily defended Russian lines. When asked if Ukraine will get US-made F-16 fighter jets, Blinken said he believed it would. And the important focus is on making sure that when they do, they're properly trained, they're able to maintain the planes, and use them in a smart way. This has been your AESH Weekly News Minute for Tuesday, July 25, 2023. If you want more global energy news and real-time alerts, hit the subscribe button now and follow us on social media.